students, today we are going to see Standard 8 Subject English chapter The House Builder. So 2.2 The House Builder. Let's see warming up and chit chat. Make groups and discuss the following. First question, what is retirement from occupation? So answer is retirement means leaving the job at particular age. The second question, when do people retire? So answer is generally people retire at the age of 60. Some also retire before 60. Third question, for what reasons do people have to retire from their occupation? So answer is old age is the main reason for having retirement from occupation. Some people also get retired due to health problems or a wish for living with their families and enjoy the happy life. Fourth question, how do people spend their time after retirement? So answer is after retirement most people spend their life with their families. Some do social work and some enjoy their incomplete hobbies. The next point in warming up is discuss and match the professions involved in the construction with the work they do. बांधकाम जे क्षेत्र आहे त्याच्यात जे वेगवेगळे व्यवसाय आहेत त्यांची नावं तुम्हाला दिलीत व्यावसायिकांची आणि त्यांच्या कामाबरोबर तुम्हाला मॅच करायच्या आहेत जोड्या. सो आर्किटेक्ट, द फर्स्ट वन इज आर्किटेक्ट. So architect means what? So architect means one who plans and designs the structure. So it is D. So you have to match that one. Then the next one is engineer. So engineer means who? So one who ensures structure will be strong and stable. So it is E. Then the next is building contractor. So his work is, what is it? So building contractor work is supervise construction employees, workers and professionals, etc. The next one, that is carpenter. So carpenter, we know that he does the work with wood. So make wooden framework. It is a for doors and windows, etc. The next fifth one is mason. So let's see mason. So what is mason? Who is mason? What is the work of mason? So it builds wall, ज्याला आपण गवंडी म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये. सो बिल्ड walls, roof, etc. and plaster. That is mason. Then the next one is tiler. So who is tiler? So tiler who has the work with tiles, that is who does the flooring. And the last one remaining is interior decorator. So interior decorator, the remaining B, beautifies the inside of the home. Now let's see the next question. The second one is a word can be broken up into units of pronunciation, each having one vowel sound with or without consonant sounds around it. Each set unit is called as syllable. बघा, सिलॅबल म्हणजे काय दिलेलं आहे, एखादा शब्द जो असेल त्याचा उच्चारानुसार आपण त्याच्या वेगवेगळ्या शब्दावयात त्याचा आपण भाग पाडतो, की शब्दावय म्हणजे सिलॅबल, की ज्याच्यामध्ये एक स्वर आणि त्याच्याबरोबर व्यंजन किंवा फक्त स्वर पण असू शकतो, त्याला आपण शब्दावय असं म्हणतो. तर सिलॅबल्स, किती सिलॅबलचा वर्ड आहे ते आपल्याला ओळखायचं आहे. खाली काही एक्झाम्पल्स दिलेले आहेत. 1 सिलॅबल वर्ड्स कोणते आहे? टू, गॉट, विल, सी. फक्त एकच शब्दावय आपल्याला ऐकायला येतो उच्चारानुसार. सो इट इज जस्ट 1 syllable. Then some 2 syllable words are there, that is father. So 2 syllables are father. Mason, so mason. Then builder, builder. So 2 syllable words are there. Then next is engineer, carpenter, construction. So there are 3 syllables. So these words have 3 syllables. So what you have to do? Write down names of any 5 of your classmates and break them into syllable. Write down the number of syllables in each of their names. तुम्हाला तुमच्या मित्रांची 5 मित्रांची क्लासमेट्सची नावं लिहायची आहेत आणि ती जी नावं आहेत ती सिलॅबल्समध्ये ब्रेक करायची आहेत आणि किती सिलॅबल आला आहे तो नंबर तिथे लिहायचा आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आरव. इफ वी टेक द नेम आरव, सो देर आर 2 syllables, आरव. So similarly you have to write.